Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make Blue Sky account. Let's begin. So we have three options: to create an account, sign in, and then to choose your language. So I'll be using English for this video. So you would select create account. Then it's going to ask you for your hosting provider. On default, it's going to be Blue Sky, but then you can also use a custom one if you want to. Then you have to enter your email address. Then you have to choose your password and your birth date. Once you're done, you are going to select next. And then it's going to ask you to enter your own personal user handle. Afterwards, it's going to ask you to complete the captcha challenge. So you're going to select the tick box where it says I am human, and it's going to give you a small puzzle to do. Now it says give your profile a face. You're going to have to include a picture of yourself in your profile. Or you can also create an avatar instead. Next, it'll ask you what are your interests. I'm going to say art, culture, food, then continue. Afterwards, it'll tell you that you are ready to go. And there you go. I hope this video was helpful for you, and I'll see you in the next one.